Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about getting information from you, the person that drives the vehicle, to help diagnose your vehicle properly and quickly. Might sound a little funny, but all the information you can supply to what's actually going on with your vehicle helps point us in the right direction to start our testing and diagnosis and know what's going on with the vehicle. Everything from drivability concerns, such as a check engine light came on. We often ask questions. Does it happen when the vehicle goes up a hill? Does it happen first thing in the morning when the vehicle's cold? Is it later on after driving? Items like that help us. Noises. Is there a grinding noise when you apply the brakes? Is there a noise all the time? Is there concerns going on with driving and suspension noises possibly? Does the vehicle overheat? If so, we start looking at items that have to do with that. Noticed any smells such as coolant leaking that could be a burning smell coming from the engine or oil leaking. Other items such as shifting of the transmission, all kinds of drivability concerns. Has somebody else worked on the vehicle, which is another great thing for us to know to help diagnose your vehicle properly. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for The Automan, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.